Greetings, Avenger. Let's get you started on your mission. The first thing that I need you to do is to create a folder on your desktop or laptop and label it Contemporary World Issues or CWI. This will help you organize your assignments to turn in. The next thing that I need you to do is go to Jarvis. Jarvis has your printable Instructional Cycle 1 assignment calendar. Please click on that and download it to your folder. This calendar will help you keep pace for Units 1, 2, and 3 all the way through February 19th. Then we will switch over to Instructional Cycle 2. Jarvis also has your recordings, which you can locate with the date, what we worked on, and the recording will be over here in the blank area. Further on down in the Avengers Training Room is a refresh on how to read history along with our spicy concepts. If you need to schedule a learner conference, best way to get a hold of me, and how to vet your sources. The next thing that I need you to do, Avenger, before you can continue on with your mission, is to go to Instructional Cycle 1 and please complete your pretest located right here. Once you complete your pretest, you'll be able to access Units 1, 2, and 3. Please note that there are 3 instructional cycles for the whole semester. You will have 9 units total. Good luck, Avenger.